How to unfreeze your Venmo account. So if your account is frozen, there are a few common reasons why this might happen, such as suspicious activity, most likely like too much transactions like out of nowhere, I suppose, violation of Venmo's policies, or problems with your linked bank account. So to unfreeze your account, you'll need to follow some steps to resolve the issue. Now, the first one is to check for notifications or emails from Venmo. So you can do this by searching Gmail. If you're using Gmail, of course, you can go ahead and sign in your Gmail to the Gmail app or website browser that's associated with your Venmo account or what you use to link with your Venmo. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and look what to do next if you found your reason why your account was frozen. The next is to log into your Venmo account. You can do this in the Venmo app or website. So just search for Venmo in your desired browser, log in, and you'll be able to receive specific instructions on how to proceed if you see a notification about the frozen status in your account. And the next are more specific ones, which is to check your linked bank account credit card, because sometimes payment issues or problems with your linked account can cause your account to be frozen, so check that. The last ones usually may work the best, which is just to contact Venmo support. So in the app or the website, so go ahead and go to the drop down bar menu, go to help and contact us. Explain your situation. You could go ahead and ask why your account got frozen and request instructions on how to unfreeze your account. Now, once you've done those, it's basically just waiting for a resolution at this point. But that's pretty much most of the steps you can do to unfreeze your Venmo account. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.